So basically business goals. Okay, so what are the businesses and its goals available? How can we meet these business goals is the primary intention here. Okay, so if you take any business, that business goal may fall into any of these 6 to 7 categories which we have. Any website you take, especially e-commerce based website that you are selling a product online. Okay, any website that is related to e-commerce, selling a product online, the goal of that particular website or the business model will be to increase the sale of the product. Okay, increasing the sales. Basically, there are two types we can say it here. Sales is basically selling a product. Now, when you have one or two products to sell, or max 3 to 5 products to sell, like me, I sell digital marketing course, I sell SEO training, and also so each and every module is sold separately. Okay, so selling online, so sales is basically selling a product online. When you have one or two products to sell, then the goal is to have a sales. Okay, and we can also have a promotion of e-commerce product, which means a website that has more than 100 plus products. Okay, when they have only one product to advertise, then they can easily run advertisement, maintain, track the performance, and see the results. Whereas when they have more than at least 10 plus product, now it is difficult for them to run campaign for each and every product and maintain their performance and statuses. Okay, so basically sales is a goal where somebody wants to come to a website and they have to make a purchase. Basically the sales, this is the primary goal of lots of businesses. Okay, and the next thing that we can call about is the leads. Okay, leads in the sense we can generate business people or the clients to come and connect with the business owners. Okay, basically we can see all this live, that will be really great. Okay, let me show you one of the campaign creation settings so that we can see here. So this is the interface of Google Ads. We just give it a try by clicking on a new campaign. Okay, so when we click on this new campaign, Google is going to show us different advertisement types. What are the different advertisement types we have, and under which, or it is going to show us the goals under which what are the different advertisement types are given here. Okay, number one is the sales. Okay, increasing the sales of your business. Number two is basically the leads. Leads is basically get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take action, which means people will come to a landing page. They are supposed to take one action. Okay, they are supposed to take one action, maybe filling up a form, submitting, or adding a button. Okay, so all this activity is to be expected to be done. Okay. Leads, so under this process, leads, either the website, or we call it as a landing page, or the Google's advertisement interface itself will have an option to collect people's information, like first name, last name, email address, phone number, and other details. And also we can receive leads through phone calls, messages, and there are several options available. So this is basically leads. If you look into the third type of goal that somebody has, which is basically the website traffic. If you have a website where if you get more traffic you will get more revenue, then we can prefer this website traffic goal. Okay, so get the right people to visit your website is what Google claims. Okay, this particular goal is useful for those websites, especially it is okay if somebody visits my website. So website visitor. There are different requirements like this, especially branding requirement. If you say, if somebody comes, click on this link and opens the website of a particular brand or an organization, now that is basically the branded one. Okay, so website traffic will help people to drive the right people to come to our website. This is basically a search network advertisement. Okay, not only with the search network advertisement, we can run a display advertisement, shopping, video, and also discovery advertisement. where display advertisement is basically done with images, shopping is done with images, video is done with short videos, 5-second video, 15-second video, and videos which are longer than 15 seconds. Discovery advertisements are those where the ads are shown inside the Gmail inbox, the promotions tab of Gmail. Okay. Now we have product and brand consideration. So this is the next goal that we can have. Basically, product and brand consideration, which is basically helping people to remember your brand and helping them to choose your brand over another brand. When we, run an advertisement, the ads will be shown at the top when Amudha Kumar's brand and also another brand like Amazon is shown, people will generally prefer Amazon because that is branded and people knows that it's genuine, it's doing the things good. Okay, so that is basically product and brand consideration system. Okay, now the brand consideration is a process or brand preference is a process where people will take decision to buy your branded products compared to any other product there in the market. Okay, number one. And we have something called brand awareness and reach, which is similar to the brand consideration. But brand awareness and reach is an activity that we do it for the first time, which means like the brand is not at all visible in the industry, and we help the brand to get a visibility, a small boost. Okay, we help the particular brand to get the visibility. So this is basically a goal of brand awareness and reach. So if you look into this brand and like product and brand consideration and brand awareness and reach, these two types of advertisement goals will use a bidding strategy preferably named cost per thousand impressions, which means like your advertisement is shown to 1,000 people. For 1,000 people we take some revenue out of it, number one. And we have something called app promotion. This campaign is exclusively used for promoting a application installation. Let me say you have application like WhatsApp and you want to increase the number of installation for WhatsApp. Now you can run this type of advertisement. So Google can show your advertisements to lots of mobile phone users based on their operating systems, manufacturers, and also the types of mobile. Okay, we can get into this app promotion category and help increase the number of installation of your mobile phone applications. Okay. And finally, Google has recently introduced one more thing called a local service, store visits. So this is a very recent option that is introduced. This helps a business owner to make his visitors come to his business physical location in combination with Google local business listing. So you know very well, whenever you go out and search something like, let me say, digital marketing course near me, when somebody searches, okay, so the results are shown. So you see Kamala Tech digital marketing course training and Aptech computer education, and the Kamala Tech source is from Coimbatore. Aptech is showing this Kamarajar Bazaar Road in here itself, right? So what happens? So these all are basically called local business listing. Now Google is going to help people to explore this particular institution or organization and click on the directions options and navigate and go to the place where the business is, like this. So from the place where I am here right now, okay, to the place where it is, okay, the Aptech computer education. Okay, so this is the place where it is. Now when we promote this particular location, I will search for this business. I will start navigating from here to this particular location, Aptech computer education. So this type of campaign is added as new here. So local store visits or promotions. You have a store and you want people to come to your store. Now this is the campaign that we need to create. Okay, so basically after app promotions, this is the one Google has added it new. So that is the reason it is not there in my goal list. So local store visits and promotions, local store visits and promotions. Okay, so based on these goals, now whenever you do a business and whenever a client comes to you, we need to identify what is the goal of the client, what they want to get at end of the day. Let me say a client has got a movie trailer to promote. If he is telling I want the number of video views to be increased, I want lots of people to see my videos, if that is a scenario, we can help him to promote his video using a video promotion advertisement. There is a type of advertisement called video. If you look into each and every goal, okay, sales, leads, website traffic, promotion, brand consideration, and brand awareness and reach. If this person wants to reach lots of people using the video content, now reaching lots of people can happen through brand awareness and reach or product and brand consideration. So brand awareness and reach is the best choice. So we can choose brand awareness and reach, and you can use a video of your advertisement content. Then your video can be a skippable video, which is like less than, I mean, skippable videos are longer videos where anybody can watch, and if they don't want, they can skip it. Bumper ads less than 5 seconds, non-skippable ads less than 15 seconds, outstream ad, which means people who are viewing your videos on other websites where the videos are embedded in other websites, unlike YouTube. Okay, there are other websites also which embeds YouTube's advertisements. Okay, outstream advertisements, ad sequence, which means you can tell part one, part two, part three. So people will see this ad. After that, people will see another ad. After that, people will see another ad. So there is lots of options that we have with respect to video advertisements and promotions. Okay, now like this we have several options. Okay, so what is the need of the person? Okay, if there is a, if the requirement of the user is to, I want lots of people to visit my link, now we will be going with the website traffic. Okay, if the person says I want to increase the number of views for my videos, now the perfect advertisement campaign is to create a video views campaign and promote his videos. If the person says like I have a mobile application where I want to increase the visibility of brand awareness of there is a mobile application like this, now we will go to the brand awareness and reach campaign. Instead, if the person says I want to increase the installation of my mobile application, then we will go with the app promotion campaign goal. Okay, now based on your client requirement, based on the situation and also the ultimate requirement of the client, we need to decide, or we need to help the client to make a decision on which type of campaign we need to run. We need to be very very careful in one thing: not all the advertisement campaign will be useful for a business. That is a possibility. That's a possibility. The international level established brands like Amazon and Flipkart, they are using almost every possible ways here because they don't have constraint on their advertising budget. They have a huge budget to advertise. But whereas when you take a small scale businesses, they may even concentrate on sales. People like me who are offering training, they may concentrate more on leads. Okay, and people who have websites where they want people to visit and explore about their business, they can go with the website traffic. Anybody who wants to, make their brand more strong and consider their brand name compared to any other brand name, they can go to brand awareness. Okay, and I mean to say brand consideration, and to reach more people, okay, with a shorter period of time, okay, with the lower budget, maximum number of people. So brand awareness and reach, increasing the mobile application installation can be app promotion, and driving visitors to your local business listing is basically can be the local store visits or promotions. So we will try to create one after another each campaign, different types of campaigns here in this particular sessions. So business goals is what we have discussed till now.